The next little job is we've done our shopping. We've bought the squares that we want to use for our lovely little garden pots and pavers, is to get this backing off. No drama with that. You just pop it in a jug, fill it up with water. Oops, you can't see me filling it up with water. Oh, look how pretty those orange ones are shining. Oh, I love those. There's a mix in there of the blue ones, and I'll talk about that when I'll talk about let's make a border. And mixing different tiles together to get some texture. Great fun. So now we come back in about 5 minutes. It ended up being more like 10 minutes. Then you just pop your hand in, give it a squish around, and then they should all release from this gooey paper. It's like 10 minutes worth. I think it was, not quite 10. And one thing I always do, because I'm a bit thingy, is because I don't know what glue is on here or what's been used to mix up the glue, when I've done this and rinsed everything off, I go and wash my hands really well. So then it's just a matter of getting yourself a strainer, straining it off. Like I say, give it a rinse. We don't know where it's come from and what's gone into it. And then just toss them on a towel till they dry, or dry them with it using a towel, and you're good to go.